Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, you see that I have a wood round from the Dollar Tree. I also used some of that yellow paint by Prang. That's also from the Dollar Tree. And I will be using one of the March, I think this is the March insert from the 2024 calendars that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I am going to just add some staining using the burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel to these flat dowel rods. I have a glue stick here. I'm applying the glue stick to the back of this piece so that I can glue it down, trimming around the edges. And now I am gluing down the dowel rods. Guys, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. Welcome to all of my new and returning subscribers. I pray that everyone is having a great week. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to my channel. And now you see that I have some florals that I'm just placing to the side. These florals came from Michael's and Walmart actually. And now I'm reaching into my ribbon stash drawer and I just pulled out one piece of that khaki ribbon that I've had just sitting in there, made it bow. It's not a thick one. And now I am getting ready to glue it to the top of this piece along with the jute twine bow, and then I will be gluing a petal in the center. And now you see that I'm adding some beads to the hanger that will go on this piece. And I think I ended up adding about either 15 beads to it before I decided to cut down the hanger. And again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. And we're going to move right on to DIY number 2. This was fun for me. I actually cut the bunny ears off of the wreath form, and now I am just adding some jute twine to the rounded piece of the jute ears. I mean, not the jute ears, the wire ears. And now I am getting ready to cut the tops of these bunny ears so that I can add the beads to them. One little trick or hack that I use to do that is to cut the tips in a location where I can rejoin the pieces back together with beads. This eliminates them from falling apart and keeps me from having to figure out other methods to use to get this to reconnect. And what you do for one side, you're going to do for the other. And what I ended up doing for this is adding one of the little smaller beads to the top to secure it. And as you can see, I have already wrapped this egg. This is the wire egg, and I did cut this down a little bit. And I wrapped it in some of that jute rope that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, reconnected the bunny ears to it, and now I have an egg bunny, a bunny egg. That's hilarious. And so then you'll see me use some jute twine so that I can make some bows to go on my bunny ears, and I'm just connecting the bows where the tops were joined together by a bead. And as you can see, I've already glued down that cloth. You've seen this before on one of my bunnies that I did. I wanted to use it up, and now I'm making a pouch so I can insert my eggs to it, inside of it. And guys, this is the reveal. This is DIY number 1. As you can see, this turned out very cute. It's just a wall hanger that you can just put anywhere in your house you want it. It's a spring decor piece. And here is my bunny, guys. Look at my bunny egg, my egg bunny. And I thought it was so cute with the little egg pouch like a kangaroo. So this had a lot of stuff going on. You guys got to tell me what you think of this piece. And I just added some florals on the inside of it. Some of these florals came from Michael's, Walmart, and that's about it. Guys, this is all that I have for you tonight. I pray that you all have had a blessed week so far, and until the next DIY, bye.